Emergency room has teaching plans. Emergency room could go on and on and on and on. Headhunting for alert artists aware of the emergencies. But it is more clever and a better strategy to create an education to educate emergency artists. The most effective way is to establish an academy to create a new category of artists. This emergency education should contain some teachings in statistics, the perspective, journalism, colorism, spy courses, gymnastics, ethnographics. This emergency education should contain some teachings in statistics, the perspective, journalism, colorism, spy courses, gymnastics, ethnographics. Understanding the casual art, slow down, syncopate, social training without alcohol. This emergency education should also contain some meetings with spin doctors, meetings with really bad guys, meeting with politicians. This emergency education should almost be like a training camp, not the type of study where the students sleep in front of a slideshow, showing examples of some activistic wellness. This emergency education should teach how to do art fast, so that humanity might survive. How to create ultra-fast, low resources, how to create without consuming. This emergency education should learn how to do social graffiti, lie detectors, vertical runs, drive runs, 1-minute retrospectives, everything goes wrong courses, mistake courses, hypocrisy swimming, sweat tasting, motivation testing, responsibility taking, rumor art, recession art, emergency mixing,